Hi everyone. So today I'm going to demo uh, an image editing app using latest Google Flash 2.5 model, which is also known as Nano Banana model. It basically allows you to perform iterative edits to your image using prompts. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to show you is I'm going to upload an image of an empty room and then have a conversational edits to the room to add furniture, wall decor, and see how the model responds, right? So I have an image of a empty room. Let me show you first. So this is the empty room and I'm going to instruct the model to add a wall decor to some furniture with a different style and all and see how the model goes about doing it, right? So let's try uploading this image of an empty room. Okay, so I've uploaded the image. Now I can give instruction to add the edit to do the edits on the image. So let's say add a I want to add a Scandinavian style furniture, which is like a more European kind of a furniture style. And let's see how the model does it. Style furniture. So it's now editing the image. It's going to apply the style and it's going to show you the new image with the Scandinavian furniture. Okay, so that's how it does. It has added a Scandinavian furniture to the room, uh, and we can make a further edits. Let's say I want to add a wall decor with elephants and Taj Mahal, and let's say a blue color wall decor. It should maintain everything else that it has done previously, but then it should add this wall decor on top of the previous edits, right? Okay, so as you can see, it has added a nice wall decor with the Taj Mahal and the elephant pictures, right? You can keep editing and say, let's say, remove mirror on the closet. Okay, so it has removed mirror on the closet, and now we can design the closet. Uh, let's say create bohemian style, which is like a mixture of different patterns. Closet, change closet style to bohemian style to bohemian style. Okay, so it has added some bohemian style, like it's a mixture of different patterns to my closet. And then I can say, hey, I also need doors, uh, designer doors for the closet. So as you can see, it has added designer doors for the closet. We can continue to edit. Maybe let's say change furniture color to more modern style that matches with wall decor. So let's see what it does with the furniture coloring this time. So as you can see, it is changing the furniture color also to start with matching with this. This particular color hasn't changed, so we can ask him to edit further, match the color of the closet door and the bedroom door with rest of bedding. Let's see if it applies that style, right? So as you can see, it's trying to do that, and of course the model is not perfect, but you can keep applying that slowly to make that happen. Okay, let's try something a little bit more. Let's say replace chair with recliner. Let's see what it does. I want to replace this chair over here with a recliner. All right, so as you can see, we are able to do the iterative edits in the same image just using prompts. And this is again Nano Banana model, which is the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. Thank you very much.